Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Welcome to home learning session. Today I am going to explain English grammar topic reported speech. Last time I explained simple sentences. Now it is for interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences means questions. Mostly rules, whatever same are there, that here I have not written, but whatever changes are there, that I am going to show you. Which one is there? First one, change of said to. In your simple sentences, we are changing said to into told. But here you have to use in the place of told, asked, inquired, etc. Now you may confuse that what is interrogative sentence. So look at that. Interrogative sentence, verb plus subject plus object and question mark pattern will be there. That we are telling VSO pattern, and that we are using for direct speech. And when you are going to change into indirect speech, how you have to do? Subject will come first. Subject, verb, object. Means your simple sentence it will be there, and full stop. Question mark you have to remove. Now let us see example. What is interrogative question? Do you know me? Do, that is helping verb. You, that is subject. Know, main verb. Me, object. For direct speech, this kind of questions will be there in inverted commas, and that you have to change into indirect speech. How will you do it? Subject, you, helping verb do is there, so do plus know, that is know only. If does here, then knows. Did is there, then knew. Depend on your helping verb. Changes you have to do. And me. Now after this converting subject, verb, object pattern, other rules for pronoun, tenses, that you have to follow as it is, means same. Now in that also two parts. If the questions can be answered in yes or no, means this one is yes or no type questions, then in the place of that you have to use if or whether. If or whether, right? Means in the place of that you have to use if or whether. And if the question is of WH family, WH family means who, which, what, when, where, how many, why, these all are WH family questions. So if questions are starting from WH family, then no conjunction will be there. We are using that in simple sentence. Here no, that also, if also, whether also. Direct you have to start. Now another thing, tenses, pronoun and other all changes as usual, that you have to do it. Whatever changes are there, that you have to follow. Now let us look at the final example. He said to me, do you know me? He said to, in the place of said to, we have to write down asked me. Now it is questions which one is having answer yes or no. So we have to use in the place of that if. You can use whether also. You, that is second person pronoun according to listener, right? So listener is me, so we have to use I. Now said to means past, you have to do it. This one is simple present tense, you have to make it simple past tense. that is verb to, you can say, or past form of the verb. No, me, that is first person pronoun. So according to first person pronoun changes as a from the speaker, and speaker is he, so him. So whatever pronoun and tenses changes are there, that we have to do. Got it? Now next example, said to is there. So she said to him, that is she asked him, what are you doing now? Now look at here, it is WH family question, right? So no conjunction direct. What? You, that is second person according to listener. Very good. So listener you have to use, so he. Are doing, that is present continuous tense, so was doing. And now, that is you have to use then. Right? Thank you.